Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer forms and CRM routing with Zapier webhooks step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have one, create a new account at zapier.com. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button on the dashboard. In the Trigger section, choose the application where your forms are hosted. Select the appropriate trigger event to activate the workflow. Connect your form application account to Zapier. Test the connection to ensure everything is working correctly. Now, proceed to the Action section. Choose Webhooks by Zapier as the Action app. Select Post from the list of action events. In the Setup Actions section, input the URL where you want to send the form data. This is typically your CRM's API endpoint. Next, select the payload type as JSON. In the Data section, input the fields you want to send to the CRM. Map the form fields from your previous trigger to the corresponding CRM fields. Optionally, add any headers required by the CRM API. Test the action to validate that the information transmits correctly. If the test is successful, proceed to the final step. Name your Zap for easy identification later. Finally, toggle the Zap to on to activate the workflow. Review the settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Your Zap is now set up to transfer form data to your CRM via webhooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.